welcome back again to another webinar or let's say live stream. And today we have our special guest with us, and that's Saurabh Chauhan from the famous Blog Bing team, right? And yes, again, I am in front of you in the same session. And today we are going to discuss about something innovative, or you can say the future of content marketing also, because it has multiple aspects inside, and we'll be discussing about it. So first of all, welcome Saurabh, and thank you so much for giving us this slot of time to discuss about GetBotz.
Thank you for having me, Matt. Yeah,
Yeah, sure. So first of all, I would like to ask you, Saurabh, to introduce about your what is your parent company of this GetBotz, and what are the different products in brief that you have launched before GetBotz.
sure. So, if you are from the LTD market from 2017, 18, 19, we are playing in the market from that time, like 2017, 18. We started with get keywords and we lost get mentions, get feedy, get mess. So, at the end, all the products are under Blockbean Group. Blockbean Group is mainly SaaS company developing various SaaS products, mainly related to marketing segment. We have another segment which works on cloud part, but mainly we are working in the different SaaS products, mainly related to data and marketing stuff. That's what we do. Like one of the product we have get keywords. Most of you might have heard of that. We are the only provider on the internet with a local real-time keyword research data. We are get mentions. We re-innovated how the whole mention marketing should work, and we are still unique in the concept. We are into get feedy. It's a feedback management product. We are into get mess, where we are mainly working on cold email out the system, which should be public mostly next month or next to next month. And now we are with GetBotz. So at the end, Blockping is like developing a suite of products. All are related to marketing. Like we are covering different segments of marketing. We are trying to bind them with each other to create complete package. That's a goal. And GetBotz is our fifth product in the segment in public area. We are definitely working in some enterprise products, but that's a different segment, not yet. So let's keep on that. So now today we are for GetBotz. GetBot is mainly about content automation segment. Let's go into deeper into that step by step as we move into the webinar and all the stuff.
Yeah, thank you for your brief introduction. And where is your company located?
We are from India, Gujarat.
Okay, I'm from the same country and state, right? So there's a
Yep,
difference of city, right?
yep,
You're in a different city, right?
yep.
That's the thing. Okay, so now let's come to the product that we are going to discuss today. Is that GetBots? What is GetBots, and how would like to define in the particular segment of marketing, or let's say content world, right?
Okay. So I for me, GetBotz is a really wide concept, but let me try to simplify it as much as possible. So we are all over about all the GPT-3 tools coming to market, like GPT content that we have seen a lot of products in LTD market. Every week we are seeing a new product launching into market, providing small content ads and all that stuff with GPT-3. Now the thing is that these GPT-3 tools are creating content. Now you need to take that content, put into a system, and let the thing ongoing. Now what GetBotz has done is that it has automized everything in the system. Like overall, if you go to a website, our simple slogan is we are replacing content people with bots. That's the whole thing we do in simplest word. Whenever we see that there are people who are doing repetitive, boring tasks, our goal is to replace those people with bots. That's the simplest definition I can say. So at the end, we can automate your forum, we can automate your blog, we can automate your Instagram reels, we can automate your YouTube shorts, we can automate your LinkedIn, we can automate your Twitter. So at the end, uh, we are here to take care of all the boring tasks which you are doing with help of our bots. That's what we do in simplest words possible.
Okay, so when we talk about automation, there are a lot of aspects. One of things you mentioned was that we can automate your forum, right? Uh,
Mhm.
we all know that forum is the best way of create user generated content site.
Mhm.
So what are you saying is that the GetBots has already the forum system, or a user needs separate forum system on WordPress or something, and then you connect with GetBots, or GetBots has inbuilt forum, and we don't have to do anything.
Okay. So first of all, let me give a brief about forum automation, concept of forum automation. After that, we are going to technical part. So where the concept of forum automation starts actually, that let's say I'm a company. Let's say, for example, let's take our product of GetBotz, which is mainly working on SEO segment. So now, if I want to build audience, build content, let's say I'm starting one forum. The problem is that we only trust communities where there are already people, where there are already questions, where there are already answers. Means we trust active communities. That's how we operate. So now it's like a loop which we need to break. You need people to create content. You need content to get people. So that's a loop. So what GetBotz does is that we currently have 3,500 plus bots account with us. What we do is that you provide the forum that okay, I want to create a forum on SEO topics. So I provide that I want to let me share one forum as well. I think that will make them easier. Give me a second. Let me share my screen.
Yeah, sure. Just share your screen, and I will push another stream, right?
Sure. Okay. Is that visible? Let me know.
I will adjust it accordingly, right?
Yeah. Let me know once set because I can't see the screen as of now. So
Yeah, yeah. You can proceed now. Yeah, you can proceed.
okay, so let's say this is a demo forum which we have created, the marketing forum where we decided to talk about keyword research, checking social media, and all that stuff. So what we do is that you just provide that what is your topic of the forum. Let's say it's marketing, and what are the categories you want to set. That's all. Now, what our bots will do is they will set up the forum for you. They will decide all the keywords because at the end the whole game is about keywords. We face thousands of keywords related to a topic. Let's say first category keyword research. We have tens of thousands of keyword around keyword research topics, and now goal of our bots is to create questions around that keyword, put it in the forum, provide answers to those questions, like, comment, and all those activities which normal humans do. So let's take for one example, let's say keyword research for a free. This is the topic is a question created by I'm starting new blog and I want for free. Then one person created question, another person answered the question, and this is like a system where the bots are here. They are visiting the forum. They are creating questions. They are communicating with the question answer all that stuff. So initially when you do not have real people taking care of all the stuff or making the community active, we push our bots on your community so they can build the initial interaction which is needed, like every day 20, 30, 40 question answers per day, or even 50 depending on how you set the bots. But they build the initial interaction for your forum for 6 months or 1 year. And once the forum is ready, now you have initial interaction, you have data, you have real people coming from Google, you remove bots, and now the forum is yours. Now you can take it for on content. So that's how the whole forum automation part works. In simplest word, we are replacing real all the people, all the boring tasks with our bots. So that's the stuff here. Here I let me show my dashboard. Is my dashboard visible now for GetBotz?
Yeah, your dashboard is visible.
Yep.
Yeah, we can see your dashboard.
Okay, perfect. Okay, sure. So here you can see the dashboard there's a demo forum which we have automated. You can see that we have posted 366 questions, 100 1064 activities, like 366 questions added this month. These are answer activity stats for bots every day, which are the most active bots of this month. Activity types, recent activities like this bot answer question of liked answer, answered this question, this person asked question, all the stuff. You can even see detailed analytics like all the question answers, likes, all the popular bots who are working. Now, on one side, you can see like this kind of analytics, but the thing is, everything you see, these are not the real people. These are all the bots which are trained for your niche, trained for your keywords, trained for your categories. And now they are coming to your forum and doing all the activities. So that's what the GetBotz is about forums. Yep.
Okay, so what I was specifically asking was that this forum is also created by GetBotz, the whole forum part.
Yep, yep.
Okay,
The forum is hosted by us. So we are using Flarum on the backend for the forum. So we host the forum on our servers. We put all the data, and even this is kind of hybrid structure. So it is hosted by us, but real users can also come, join, interact. You can also, as an admin, you can come, join, interact, answer, like all that stuff. But it is on our servers. Now, after a year, maybe you are like you are now okay. Now let's remove the bots and keep it. Let it grow organic. We'll just provide backup and you can host it on a cPanel server or however you wish to.
okay, I got it right. So let's move ahead with the forum part. Now, what you intend to create with this means one of the part of GetBots is forum side. Now let's talk about more things inside. What else you have in GetBots?
Yeah. So after forum, we have blogs as well. But as of now, we have forums live, blogs, and second third thing we are working on web stories. I'm not sure if you ever even have heard of that, but web stories is the latest format from Google, which is like going crazy. Like they are pushing the heavily the web stories, but it's same like Instagram or WhatsApp stories. But you have 5 to 10 slides, and you can share your content via that. And same like TikTok or other short videos, web stories are going viral. They are getting a lot of traffic. But creating web stories is a much more complicated task compared to other stuff because you need graphics, you need videos, you need animation, you need to put all the content, you need to create short stories, and you need to put all of them in sync. So that's a longer, complicated process if you are doing that yourself. So that is the third thing we're automating web stories. We have so forum are there, blogs are there. Blogs are basically which you can simply understand that we are putting all the post and all that stuff. We have web stories. We have LinkedIn automation, which we are working on, which we might release in September, October, because that's a long part there. In LinkedIn automation, we create posts for you. We like other relevant posts. We comment on relevant posts according to your industry. So it's like we put your whole LinkedIn on automation. So that's how it can scale when you are not on the LinkedIn tab. We have Twitter automation as well, and like that's how the shoot is going on.
Okay, so there are a lot of things upcoming, and we have only forum section for live right now,
Yep,
as it is very early launch of GetBots, right?
yep,
When you were talking about LinkedIn, that you were saying that GetBots will comment on the related post, or let's say the same niche posts on LinkedIn, right? So it will be searching on itself, finding the post, reading it, and according to it, it will be commenting all processed by AI, right?
yep.
Okay, so that will be let's say I'm creating a forum, right, on a particular niche,
Mhm.
and forum is automated. Now I created a LinkedIn page with the same brand, and I'll be connecting that LinkedIn page to the GetBots. Am I right in that? Okay, so how is the process? Let's say if I have a GetBots account today, and let's say I have a domain in a food niche, or let's say recipes, right? Food show, or let's say recipes niche. Because I connect that my domain to GetBots, and automatically the forum will be created as of now, and the more features that will be coming in future, which includes web stories, which includes um LinkedIn automation, and
Blogs and all that stuff. Blogs, YouTube shorts, Instagram shorts, TikTok videos, all
okay.
that stuff.
So everything will be created by AI, including graphics and animated videos.
Uh, we
Or
are, we are currently we are currently using stock videos and stock images as of now
okay, okay, stock videos, right?
because I'm personally testing Delhi currently, but Delhi is still not publicly available, and we are still seeing accuracy issues with that.
Okay,
So it's not still ready for that.
so I think we talked about many types of features. So I would like that you share your screen on the GetBots landing page, and cover show one by one on the screen, so people will understand better. Because once we are talking about LinkedIn automation, then we are talking about forum, so people
Yeah,
will get confused, right? So what is
yeah,
GetBotz? So guys, I'll be sharing one very good use case that I have in my mind. So let's first understand what GetBotz is and is going to be in the future.
sure.
Okay.
So let me share my screen.
Hmm. Okay, your screen is on the stream. You can connect, right? Okay.
Okay, sure. So here is the website we have. Let me go to the lifetime deal page directly because we have the same concept. Okay, yeah. So it all starts with, as said, your human-less contenting, and that's where we started. Initially, we are trying to replace all the super slow, boring, and inefficient stuff with the bots. That's the whole thing here, and that's where we are focusing in every segment. There is a bot sort, and yes. So we start with the simplest question that if we all know that content and community is all about growing business, less than 5% companies are really investing in content, investing in communities, investing in all the videos and all the stuff because it's slow, it's costly, and it's boring. Even if I'm really like a guy who love to write content, even if I need to post content every single day, that's boring. No matter how much I love writing, that's boring because after a time this becomes repetitive stuff and we are not designed for that. So here is that you can hire our bots who can work 24 by 7 without any complaints or and they can do whatever you wish. That is simplest recipe. Choose your bot army. Here bot army means we have differentiated bots by their nationality. That's and language as well. That if you are creating a forum for US audience, you might just want to add bots from the US, like their whole identity around US nationality. If you are creating for India, you might want to add all the bots from India. So you can choose which type of bots you need, and you can provide details like what are your niche, what are the categories you are looking for, how fast you want to build content, all that stuff. Connect your OpenAI. This is the thing here. We use your OpenAI. Like all the content writing tools. We are not content writing tool. We are not generating content for using APIs and all that. You just provide you just connect your OpenAI API key, and we'll use that to generate content. And that's all. Now the system will work for you every day and set up all the stuff, take care of everything for you. And if we say who are all the bots, they are mainly designed to replace human. That's the whole goal. It's not about automating content by writing and generating. It's about completely replacing human behavior. We are using 47 plus different parameters to make them operate the same way as people. Like we even create some kind of small grammar mistakes as well, based on the nationality and based on some of the factors as well. So our goal is to make it look as much more human as possible in every aspect possible. We even let them create some of the minor mistakes. You might say some of them are lazy to upload their profile pictures, some of them are really active and they will set up their whole profile perfectly, all that. So that's how we are working on with that. And yes, we have multiple filters as well to avoid posting junk on the websites or forums and all that stuff, because that's the main problem with OpenAI and all the tools. Even though they are really good, they are not perfect. There are a lot of errors. There's a lot of junk content, all that. So we have multiple filters to fact check, to check junk content, to remove any mistakes and all that stuff. Here we have six stuff with us: community forum automation, blog management. We are currently testing on early beta with our users. We might open this next month for everyone. Web story, short videos, Twitter, and LinkedIn. These are the six stuff. And here is a deal we have, which you can easily check on the website as well, starting from plan. And extra is OpenAI charges because we are using your OpenAI account. Those are the charges, and mostly, let's say for forum, one forum, approx you can say that the OpenAI will cost approx $5 to $15 per month for content generation. They charge somewhere around $0.06 for 700 to 750 watts. So that's how the cost will be there for OpenAI. Our cost is mainly in all the automation and bot stuff. and openness from you. All the plans which you can check. I don't go into detail on that, but that will make the stuff complicated. And what are the entities, open items, charges, and all that stuff. So this is where we are.
Okay, so that was
Yep.
really good to understand in with this shared screen, right? So now I would like to add one more thing over here, that those people who are working on niche sites. I'm talking specifically about niche sites. So there are two types of people in the market right now in the content world. One of them, they are really passionate about any specific niche, let's say a motorbikes, or let's say surfing, or let's say cars, sports cars, or let's say blogging, or let's say anything, right? Let's say SaaS tools. Okay. So they are really passionate, and they are very, very much passionate to take that to the very top level and make it their main primary business and want to continue that for life. These are the first type of people. The second type of people in the market of the content niche sites are, they build, let's say they build choose a specific niche which is profitable for them due to various aspects according to AdSense or affiliate marketing or anything else, right? They build it, they generate traffic, and once there is something, they just flip it,
Yep.
they just sell it. Because let's say any blog who has $1,000 per month passive income, or let's say income revenue generated from that particular blog, easily it has 25x to 50x uh, valuation in the market, and there are ready buyers to get it, right? As
Yep.
everything is verifiable, traffic is verifiable, right? And anything, income is verifiable. So there are two types of people. So when we come to the first type of people, for them, if they are beginning, suppose let's say I want to build a really good business in content about SaaS, software as a service. So it can give me a very kickstart, a very good kickstart by building a forum on it, with blog, with LinkedIn automation, and all that, right?
Yep.
So, and if I am someone who just want to flip, there is nothing to do anything extra than OpenAI connection, right?
Yep.
Right. So these were the two main, you say, differentiation of the type of users that I want to kept in front of audience. So these are the two people. These are two types of people, right? Now let's understand. I will just take a few minutes and share my screen and show visually what I want to say over here is. So when you are in the game of content and you want to build a content empire, or let's say content site, right? Just let me share my screen. Okay, I will push into it. And yeah, so let's say I am building a forum, or let's say a website or a blog, right? Let's say this is my main website, which I will be talking about, or you can say website or blog, right? Because it's a content, we are talking about content, a website or blog. Okay, and I will be adding a special forum for this particular niche on any subdomain, right? I will be connecting this forum. Okay. So now we have two things with us already. And now when I connect it with GetBotz, my blog is automated. As you said, it's already in beta and will be launching soon. My blog is automated. Or if I prefer to go with my team, content team, and I want to make them write, right? That they should write content from a blog, I can do that, right? So this is now the game comes, that how we will get traffic. So the main source of the traffic here will be from my keyword planning, right? Because I will have to enter keywords in GetBotz, on which for targeting keywords I want to create content.
Categories. Like if I'm creating forum on SEO, I will just provide 5 categories. like keyword research, backlinks, and maybe let's say outreach and five categories. That's all. You don't need to provide any keywords for that. We will take care of that.
Okay, so I have to only provide categories, right? So the second source of traffic for me on this particular project will be from social media. Let's say social plans we led, and we have upcoming. Uh, One of them is Instagram Reels, Twitter automation, LinkedIn automation, right? And when it comes to short video, YouTube shorts also come in the inside the game, right? So we have four sources of traffic ready with us, which will take care of traffic, sending traffic on our project, right? So let's come back. So this is the second source of traffic. Okay. And again, there will be a lot of traffic coming directly on forum from search engine, right? So let's connect this also. Okay. So now, what else we talked about? Uh, Web stories. I think it's not over here still, but yeah, it will come in social plans, right? So let's add other and name it as web stories, right? Okay, so it's already inside there. So there are many multiple diversified traffic sources for my now. What I want to point out is that when you have this ultimate automated content machine with you, what you can do, suppose let's say if I am talking about SaaS, I can I have already inflow of traffic with lot of content in my forum and blog and all that. I can simply start selling any course, start selling any ebook on that particular niche, start selling premium membership for my forum for special members, right? And there are a lot of things. Besides everything, beside everything, all these, you can also flip the whole project on the Flippa. Now, I think this with this diagram, audience must have got a clear idea. Guys, you can also comment and tell me you got me what I want to explain over here. Now, let's see what in market such product has value, right? Such type of project. If you have any such ready project like this with a forum or let's say a blog, right? So what it has value, right? So let's this is Flippa, guys. Everyone knows. If someone not, they can visit this. Now just see forum, search for forum, that what are the forums for sale right now in the market, right? Okay, so let's filter out some things and go to forum and community. Okay, so these are the forum, guys. This one is 17 years old, generating $268 per month, and asking price is $28,000. It can be exaggerated sometimes from the seller. So let's go to this filter recently sold. Means people already bought something recently, and these are the two things, right? One of the forum is held confidential. It's not shown over here. Its age was 20 years, was generating $2,348 per month from affiliate sales, and it was sold for $140,000, right? And this, let's come to this blogger town. In fact, there is a spelling problem inside name also, which was sold with Facebook page, with YouTube channel, with Instagram, with Quora, right? And it was only generating $9 per month because I don't know how. Yeah, here is a monetization type. He already monetized, only a monetized with ads. I think that was his mistake. He should have used affiliate marketing to increase this revenue, and he could have sold in more than $15,000. I think, right? So still, guys, this was just to give you an idea that what such type of products have valuation in the market. So, guys, tell me in the comment box how you feel about this, and if you uh, really want to know about what is the deal right now, and then you can go in the description. I provided the link for this special lifetime deal available for GetBotz now. And always Saurabh is with us. You can, after the stream also, if you are recording later, you can drop off your comments inside this live stream. And if you are in LTD community, you must be already aware of blogging products such as Get Keywords, right, Feedy and everything, right? So that was all. What do you feel, Saurabh, about what I just showed? It just came in my mind during the live stream while you were presenting, and I just wanted to keep in front of audience.
Yeah, to be honest, I think the community has seen me first time on any live or any video. I'm never on the camera. This is the first time I'm coming on any session or any video, even any video. It's the first time I see a same screen all that. So yeah, man. When we have a partner who is helping us arrange all the things, that makes the stuff much more easier. And yeah, I
Yeah.
think we both have made it together. Yeah,
Yeah. Specifically, when I talk about myself, when I write some script and I have to repeat that script in the video, that's really difficult for me. But
yeah,
in the form of conversation, I told you, right? In the form of conversation, there will be me hosting you. I'll be asking something, and you just have to reply, such as I'm sitting in front of you, and we are having a conversation, right?
yeah,
And while we are having a conversation, audience is listening, and they will be also included in the discussion, right? So,
definitely.
okay. So I just shared the idea about flipping the content site and all that. So guys, you can go and check this out and check the deal inside the description. You have already linked. Uh, Saurabh, I want to ask one more thing over here. Is that what should be estimated cost of OpenAI for me if I am connecting my forum or let's say blog and everything coming in the future?
Yeah.
Average cost of OpenAI for me per month.
For OpenAI, the charge is per word actually. So how rapidly you want to push content on that your post relies on. So on average, as I said, that they charge $0.06 for every 750 to 700 watts. So now based on that, how fast you want. We have three modes with us: slow,
Hmm.
medium, and turbo mode. If you are working on normal mode with forums, it should cost you around $5 to $15 per month with OpenAI to operate the whole forum. And it will post like 20, 30, 40 question answer per day. And that how now it scales based on how fast you want to go on.
Let's go to the fastest mode, that is turbo, right?
Yeah.
What can be average cost of it per month?
For turbo mode, it will post around 100 to 150 question answers per day. And that will post to around $30 to $35 per month with OpenAI.
Okay. And
But yeah, that varies because depending on a lot of factors. But
yeah,
that's somewhere around that.
okay. So that can give a good idea to audience, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Saurabh, thank you. I think we covered everything. If anything left, you can share right now about get.
I think that's all from my side.
Okay, so thank you for joining and giving us your special precious time, and thank you guys for joining. You can leave your questions inside the comment box. I will be tagging Saurabh, and he's there to reply about GetBotz, anything you want to ask. So see you in the next stream.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Okay,